Launch the CorelDRAW software. Create a new document. Import graphics. Tile graphics with one-click support. Click Create Contour to generate a contour cutting path for the graphic. Set the outline. Click on Trace and then Apply to finalize the traced outline. Here can also create cutting form. Click on Create Cutting Form and enter the corresponding number of rows and columns. Select the file and click on Add Mark to add the registration mark points. Add a direction mark. Next, we need to export printing and cutting path files separately. First, hide the cutting lines. Then, click on Export to save the file for printing. Select the file again and click on Cut Contour. Choose an output method. In this case, we'll select USB export. Insert the USB file into the cutting machine. Place the printed file on the cutting platform of the machine, ensuring it is properly aligned and flat. Confirm the paper feeding direction. Adjust the length of the blade extension. Generally, 1 to 2 mm is sufficient. Test the cutting strength and speed according to the thickness of the material. Use the corresponding buttons on the machine to adjust the strength and speed. Move the blade head to an empty area on the platform and press the Test button. If the cutting is successful, proceed to the next step. Manually assist the cutting machine in locating one of the registration mark points and select the corresponding cutting file. Click Start to begin the cutting process. After the cutting is complete, you have the desired cutout file. If you have any further questions, please leave a message below or contact us directly.